Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and hi to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I can't believe I have 200 subscribers. It is actually amazing to me. I mean 200 to me is a lot. So thank you guys. And if you are not subscribed, click that button down below and subscribe. This look right here has been inspired by a KKW post. I did one maybe like 2 videos ago, and I just happened to come across this look right here, and I absolutely fell in love with it. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is it right here, and oh my god, I absolutely love it. And I was like, I don't own any of her products, you guys, at all, but I was like, I am determined to recreate this look, and this is what I came up with. So if you guys want to see the products that I used, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, my brows are done. They are clean and filled in. I went in with the BH Cosmetics BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette. This is my absolute favorite brow product, and I've used all these shadows right here, and now I'm starting to use this one as well into the mix. Like, I just mix all these, or sometimes I just use the individual. But I absolutely love this, and you guys know that from the very beginning. I've absolutely just used that palette, but I just started using this pencil that I completely forgot I had, and honestly I just stopped liking, and that is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade medium brown. I really have been loving this brow pencil. It is one of the best brow pencils I've tried. I think the only reason why I stopped using it is because I felt like it wasn't staying. It kept sliding all over the place throughout the day. Like, I just felt like my brows were disappearing. And what I just started doing was I'm using that brow pencil, and then to set the brow pencil, I am still using my BH Studio Pro palette. So that is actually setting the brow pencil in place, you know what I mean? So it doesn't move around or anything like that. So I love it. It's been working amazing. So because of that, I actually went to Ulta and picked up my order that I placed online, and I picked up 2. I picked up a backup one, and this is in the shade medium brown, which is going to be the backup to the one I have. And I figured I would pick up a brunette just to test it out and see maybe I can also get away with that. That is pretty much it. So I just wanted to share with you guys that I have decided to add an additional product to my daily brow routine. And to clean up my brows, I did use this concealer right here. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20. Yeah, in the shade 20 Sand. I used this right here to blend out the concealer all over the lid and just to buff everything out. And this brush right here is from a BH Cosmetics kit, and I've had these for a while, but I love to use this flat brush to, like, literally take the concealer and clean up very precisely around the brow. So absolutely love those brushes, you know, brushes like that, and definitely that brush from Real Techniques. Really good brushes and products that I definitely back up. So if you guys haven't tried any of those, definitely try them out. So moving on, I am going to go in with the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I just feel like this palette right here is going to help me achieve that look that I saw on the KKW Instagram page, and I just am super excited. So with that being said, I'm going to grab my brush from the palette. It came in here right there, and it's a double-sided brush. It is a blending brush on one side, and then like a shader brush on the other side, and also like a nice defining brush. Like, definitely use this brush in so many ways. I'm going to go in with Orange Soda and Burnt Orange, and I'm going to define my crease just like that. And all I'm doing is going in windshield wiper motions. I'm also going to dabble in a little bit into the Modern Renaissance palette, and the only reason why is because I feel like she has a shade like what's the shade? Vermeer on the brow bone. So I'm going to grab this little shadow brush from IT Cosmetics, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of that shade and apply that on the brow bone. It definitely looks like she has absolutely nothing matte on the lid. It's nothing but shimmer. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm doing a bunch of shimmer shades. I just wanted to apply a little bit of that orange soda and the other shade from the other palette just to define my crease a little bit, so it doesn't look flat, you know? All right, so moving on to the lid, I'm gonna grab a little bit of this shade Glistening and Fairy, mix them together, and I'm using a flat shader brush from another BH Cosmetics kit, and I'm going to start applying that all over the lid. And also a little bit on the inner corner. All right, I'm also gonna dabble in a little bit into the Subculture palette. I'm gonna grab a little bit of this shade right here called Adorn, and I'm just gonna grab it on the blending brush, and I'm going to apply that onto the crease because it looks a tad bit bronzy in this area. I'm not going to bring it up too high, and I'm not going to apply it too much. Just enough to keep it shimmery and not matte, but also to bronze it up a little bit because that's what it looks like in the look. Alright guys, so I know it's not looking like anything special, but we are not done. I will be right back. I'm going to apply some lashes, and when I'm done, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I finished applying these Kiss lashes right here. These are the number 11 lashes. And now I'm going to move on to face primer. So this is the Laura Mercier Foundation Primer, and this is the hydrating one. So I'm going to apply this all over the face. For foundation, I'm going to go in with this one from L'Oreal. This is the True Match Foundation, and this is in the shade W6. I'm also going to add a little bit of, what is this? This is the MAC Strobe Cream, and I'm just going to apply that all over the face. To blend everything out, I'm going to grab my Real Technique sponge, and it's damp, and I'm just going to blend all the foundation. To contour my face, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to grab my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm just going to blend this out. I'm going to go in with two under eye concealers. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey, and I feel like this has like an orange tint to it, so it's going to cancel out any darkness underneath the eyes. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20, and it's just going to help brighten it up. So I'm going to go in with the LA Girl first, You see how it has like a little bit of a peachy, orangey tint? And I'm just applying that right here in the darker area. And then I'm grabbing the Maybelline one and just applying that right on top and bringing it down so I can brighten up the under eye a little bit. And to blend that out, I'm gonna grab the BH Cosmetics brush right here. This is the number 8 brush from one of their kits. I feel like this side's a little bit brighter than this one, so I'm going to apply a little bit more, just like that, and blend that out as well. Now I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques sponge and just go over top. To set the contour, I'm going to go in with my Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm going to grab this brush also from the BH Cosmetics kit and set that. To set my under eye, I'm going to go in with my RCMA powder, and I'm going to grab this Kenzie brush that I got from TJ Maxx, and I'm just going to grab a little bit of the powder and set my under eye. Alright, so I want to go back to the eyes. Since her eyes are closed and all you see is really like her lid space and nothing, you can't really see the lower lash line. I don't know exactly what hers look like, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of orange soda and a brush like this. This is an e.l.f. brush, and this is a blending eye brush. So I'm going to grab this shade and just apply it on the lower lash line. I'm going to go in with some mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Telescopic. Alright, so she does look like she has a little bit of highlight on the tip of her nose and nowhere else. So I'm just going to apply a little dot on my nose. The highlighter that I used for the tip of my nose is this one from Colorpop, and this is in the shade Lunch Money. It's a nice cream highlighter. Alright, so for lips, I am going to go in with my Fenty lip gloss, just because look at those lips, you guys. Those lips are super glossy and so full and just like plump, you know? So I feel like the Fenty lip gloss is going to be amazing, but I'm actually going to take a little bit on my finger and apply some of this L'Oreal Trumatch Lumi Glow Amore Glow Boosting Drops, and this is in the shade Golden Hour, just because it looks like her lips have a gold tint to it. So I'm gonna go in first with a lip liner, and the lip liner I'm gonna use is this one. This is called Forever Bare, and this is from the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Lip Liner. Over that, I'm gonna take my Fenty lip gloss. So for the drops, all I'm doing is taking the dropper, grabbing my ring finger, and just grabbing a little bit of this product and just dabbing it onto the lips. To finish off the look, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What do you guys think? I honestly feel like I did a really good job. That's just me. I feel like it's pretty close and maybe even right on to her look. I'm gonna pop the picture here right beside me so you guys can get a side by side. And guys, don't be hard on me, because you guys know She has her glam squad. I do my own makeup. I am no expert, and she has better lighting than I do, so. But I mean, overall, I feel like I did a pretty good job. This is definitely a beautiful look right here. I actually would wear this out. It's just like a really nice, soft glam look. You know, everything's just really focusing onto the eyes and onto the lips, and I love it, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys think of this recreated Kim Kardashian look right here. And also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.